Have you ever wondered how life science researchers ensure their experiments are reliable and valid? Welcome to the fascinating world of experimental design, a core pillar of scientific research. It's the intricate blueprint that guides researchers in life sciences, paving the way for results that are both reliable and valid. Imagine it as the backbone of any scientific investigation, holding everything together while also ensuring integrity. Understanding the process of experimental design is crucial for any life science student or researcher. So, how do we go about designing a solid experiment in life sciences? Great question. Let's delve into the step-by-step process. First off, we need to identify the research question. What is it that we're aiming to discover or understand? This question is the foundation of our experiment, guiding us throughout the entire process. Next up is formulating a hypothesis. This is an educated guess about the outcome of our experiment, based on our current understanding of the subject. Remember, a good hypothesis is testable and falsifiable. Once we have our hypothesis, it's time to design the experiment. This involves defining the variables, controls, and procedures we'll use. We aim to construct a setup where we can test our hypothesis accurately and fairly. With our experiment designed, we're now ready to conduct it. This is where the magic happens, as we collect data through observation and measurements. It's crucial to conduct the experiment carefully and accurately to ensure reliable results. After the experiment, we collect and analyze the data. During this phase, we look for patterns, trends, or anomalies that can help us understand the results. This analysis can involve statistical methods to ensure we're interpreting the data correctly. Finally, we draw conclusions. Here, we interpret the results in the context of our original hypothesis. Did the data support or refute our hypothesis? This conclusion fuels future research, helping us refine our understanding of the world around us. These steps, when followed meticulously, lead to robust and reliable scientific findings. What are the key points to remember about experimental design in life sciences? Let's delve right into it. At the heart of any experiment lies a well-formulated research question and hypothesis. This is your guiding star, the purpose that dictates every subsequent step of your experiment. Next comes the crucial stage of planning your experiment meticulously. Every detail counts. The design must effectively test your hypothesis, control confounding variables, and minimize bias. Then we step into the realm of data collection and analysis. Gather your data systematically and analyze them with rigor. This is where the power of statistics comes into play, letting you discern patterns and relationships amidst the noise. Finally, drawing valid conclusions. Remember, your findings are only as good as your interpretation. It's about connecting the dots, but also recognizing the limitations of your study. Mastering the art of experimental design can set the stage for groundbreaking discoveries in life sciences.